Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 4, and we are learning unit number 16, and its title is Self-Discipline. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 6, under the title of listening and speaking, we will learn about different emotions, that how we can express these emotions in words. Okay, before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about how we can practice regrets, okay, in different ways according to our emotions. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today I am going to give you a way how we can express different emotions. So our today's student learning outcome is demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to express joy, sadness, and anger. Yes, so 3 emotions are there, my dear students. So today we are going to discuss about joy, sadness, and anger. Okay, so this is our lesson. So see there, my dear teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Araf, verse number 23, our Lord, we have indeed wronged ourselves. If you do not forgive us and have mercy upon us, we will certainly be amongst the losers. Okay, so yes, my dear teachers and my dear fellow students, this beautiful verse is telling us that whenever we are getting mistake, okay, because an error is a human. We can get mistake because we are human beings, but we should try that we should not get any mistake. If suppose we have got any mistakes, so what is the actual way this beautiful verse is giving us message? If we are getting any mistake, so what we should accept it, and we should also get mercy of Almighty Allah, that He must forgive us. Okay, we should seek mercy from Almighty Allah. We should beg that Allah Almighty that we have wronged ourselves and we have did wrong things even with ourselves. So you may forgive us. Okay, so this is the message that how we can, if Allah Almighty is not forgiving us, okay, Allah may not do that, so that we are amongst the losers. So it means we are losers. Okay, we have lost everything even when Allah is not forgiving us, but Allah will not do that. Always Allah Almighty is Rahman and Rahim, so He will forgive us, but condition is that what we have to do, we have to beg mercy of Almighty Allah. Okay, so keep remember that we have to beg mercy of Almighty Allah every time with every breath. Okay, so let's pre-reading question is there. What do you do when you are sad? Yes, my dear students, what do you do? How you show your sadness when you are feeling so sad? Pause the video, my dear teachers, and get different answers from your students and then come back. Welcome back, and excellent job that, my dear teachers. I hope now you have enjoyed that, because students can express their feeling, have expressed ways how they show that, how they express their emotions when they are so sad. So see there, we are going to start now. We have different feelings at different times. When there is something good or we achieve something, we feel happy. We also express our happiness through our expressions and words. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, what these lines are telling us, it's true that we are different. We have different feelings. Okay, we cannot be at the same situation. Whenever sometimes we feel so happy. Okay, we are feeling joy, we are so glad. So what we do, even when we are glad, we are not just glad, we also express our happiness through words and our expressions, our emotions. So also we are expressing now. So this is the way that how we can express. So let's see that how we can express our emotions when we are feeling so happy. I'm so glad because I have got a plus grade in my class. Yes, see there. In exam, what he got a plus grade. So you have to get, okay, and you will be also happy. So why he is happy? He is also giving us reason also. And also he is expressing his emotion that I'm so glad because I have got a plus grade in my class. Whenever we are happy, definitely we are smiling. We show our happiness by smiling face. We are laughing and everything in that way that it shows our happiness. So this is the way. And there next is another. When it rains, I feel like I am on the clouds. Yes. So what do you mean that I am on the clouds? Can you get that? Yes, it means I am very happy. Okay. So when it rains, so do you feel happiness? Are you also glad, my dear students, that when it is raining? Yes, everyone loves rain. I also love rain. So we are feeling so happiness. Okay. I feel like I'm on the clouds. So it means I am also running with clouds. I'm so happy. So this is the way that we can express our happiness through our emotions and feelings and in how we can get into words. These were the feelings of happiness. Next, sadness. Sadness is an expression of sorrow. We feel it when something bad happens around us. Oh, this is now sadness. So you are sometimes, mostly we are human beings, so different emotions we have already. I discussed that sadness is also an expression that it is an opposite, okay, anti of happiness. So sometimes we also feel sadness. So when we feel sadness, so definitely our emotions, our facial expressions also gives message that I'm so sad. Okay, in sadness we don't laugh, we don't smile. Okay, sometimes we also our facial expression can tell that I am also so sad. Okay, if we are not giving into words, doesn't matter, facial expressions matter, my dear students. So when we feel sad, when something bad happens around us, okay, suppose you are not learning your test and you got bad marks, so definitely you will be sad. So in this way, even in your class, okay, so see there expressions, how we can express. Look how this beautiful cute boy is so sad, even how cute he is, but he is so sad. I'm sad, and he is giving reason that why he is sad. I'm sad because I have lost my pen. Okay, see there, he has lost his pen. So definitely he will be sad. His favorite pen and he love it, so he's feeling so sad. This is the expression. And see there is no smile on face, my dear students. Okay, so you must not be sad. Don't be sad. See there, oh, why she is a cute baby girl is there. Why she is sad? See there. I am unhappy because I have lost my pet cat. Oh, what she has lost? She has lost pet cat and she is so sad. Okay, it is also, okay, it is that her sadness is on actual reason that she has lost her pet cat. Oh, so she must found, okay, so pray that she must found her pet cat. So see there, in this way, my dear students, we can express different emotions. Oh, next is anger. A strong feeling of being upset or annoyed because of something wrong. Oh, anger. So what is anger? When there is something happens so wrong. So what we feel? Yes, we are so angry. But keep remember, my dear students, we don't be angry. Okay, we should keep patience. Okay, anger is not a solution. But when you are feeling so angry, so how? Sometimes we are also expressing our anger. So how we are expressing? Our facial expressions are also showing, our words are also telling that I'm so angry. So when something is being happened wrong around us, so try to bear that and also keep patience. Okay, no matter, we can also do mistakes. See there, oh, look how she is angry. Oh, I'm annoyed because somebody have broken my toy car. Okay, so when anyone is also breaking your anything, okay, when wasting anything, so definitely you are also being angry. Okay, look how much angry she is. Oof, see. Oh, how you are also in this way? Okay, don't be angry at all. See, in next example, he is also angry, okay, and he's so annoyed. I'm angry because nobody listens me. Okay, so sometimes we find such type of talks in students, in children, that when they are talking and when someone is not paying attention, so we are also so angry and annoyed that nobody listens me. I'm so angry, nobody listens me. Okay, so this is the way that how we can express anger also. But this is not a positive thing. We should not be angry. Be patient and keep calm in your life. So yes, my dear students, now you have got that how we can express our different emotions, feeling of happiness, feeling of sadness, and feeling of anger. Okay, good. So let's perform an activity. Now you have to perform and you have to show your expression. So be ready for activity. Yes, my dear teachers, call students in front of class to perform activity given on book page number 8 in question number 9 and express emotions that are being shown in the picture. Yes, there is a question number 9, okay, on page number. So yes, see there, question number 8 is there. Look at picture and observe the emotions of children. So you will observe, look his emotions, his and see his emotion. Okay, in this way. So you have to see that and then you have to express in front of your class. Pause the video, get this activity in your class and enjoy. Welcome back, and I hope you have enjoyed it. You have expressed emotions through these pictures. Okay, we can get that. I have given you when we are feeling happy, so we are smiling. Look, he is smiling, he has smiley face. Okay, he is sad, they are angry and they are trying that. What they are doing? They are playing, okay, basketball, and they are trying that how we should get and how we have to win. Okay, in this way, have you got, my dear students? Good job. So what's your homework for today? Write 10 sentences to express each expression, joy, sadness and anger in your notebooks. Okay, so this is homework, my dear students, that you have to perform in your notebook. You will write 10 sentences of joy, happiness, sadness and anger. Okay, so my dear fellow teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students and see that how they can express different emotions in different situations. So what we have covered today? Today we learned to express joy, happiness, sorrow and anger. We learned how these expressions can be expressed practically, okay? And in this way we have covered up our SLO, demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to express joy, sadness and anger. Wow, we have done it and we have done a great job, my dear students. So these are the way that how we can express our different emotions at different time. Okay, I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed a lot. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.